Today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated mini twist hair growth routine and how I promote healthy hair growth with mini twist. Obviously my hair isn't a mini twist yet. I do need to detangle and wash my hair. I'll show you guys all the in-shower products that I use, and once I'm done detangling and washing my hair, I'll show you guys how I blow dry my hair and prepare it for the mini twist. Anyways, I just finished washing my hair. These are the products that I used. I used the Bond Bar Bonding Conditioner, and I used the Aunt Jackie's Power Wash shampoo and the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Deep Conditioner. So hopefully my hair is completely clarified and it is also moisturized at the same time. It did feel pretty good when I got out of the shower, but there's no telling when it's dry, so we'll see. But I'm gonna finish my spaghetti and then we're gonna start blow drying with the Revere. Now that I'm done eating, this is what my hair is looking like. These are the products I'm gonna be using for this blowout. I'm going to be using the Color Wow Extra Strength Dream Coat. I used the normal strength one time and it was okay, but everyone says the extra strength is the one that actually works really well. So I'm going to be using this one, and I'm going to also be using the Cara Thermal Wonder 6-in-1 Thermal Protector for this blowout. Gonna be using my Revere per usual. With the hair growth aspect of the mini twist, I want to show you guys the supplements I've been taking recently to help with hair growth. I take I think it's a 5,000 milligram biotin pill, my iron supplement because I'm anemic, a cod liver oil supplement as well. That's just for my skin really, but it also helps with hair a little bit. I also take Funagreek. Here it kind of helps with hair growth a little bit, but I'm not sure how true that is, but I take this mainly for like body odor purposes. Not saying I stink, I'm just saying like it makes you smell like syrup and I kind of like the smell. I take MSM twice daily, once in the morning and once a couple hours before I go to bed, and I take it all with orange juice, so I'm going to be taking that right now. I'm going to be switching between low and high heat, and I'm going to put it on the highest tension setting, which is 7 on this new Revere. Now I'm just going to be applying the product. You have to spray this in every section of your hair, like drench it in every section of your hair. So I'm going to be putting my hair into really small sections and then putting it away and then blow drying it, obviously. I drenched my hair in all of these products, mainly the Color Wow, just kind of lightly sprayed with this. I did try to get it in there though. I'm not going to go too in depth with the blow drying process because I've done a video on how I blow dry my hair before. We're just going to blow dry really quickly and then we're going to get into the mini twist part. Okay, but let me take out all of the braids so I can show you what the blow dried sections look like. Ooh, that hurts. I am using the unbrush for this because I like that it's vented so that the product and stuff doesn't get stuck in it and it's easier to clean. This is what my hair's looking like. My hair reaches in the front, my chest, right at my chest. It reaches the side of my chest, right here, and back here. It reaches right in the middle of my waist when I pull it all the way down. Now we're going to do mini twist, and hopefully the mini twists stay this length, especially since I added the anti-humidity stuff. We're going to test out to see if this is really anti-humidity because I'm about to put a whole lot of product in it, or a whole lot. You'll see what I'm using. Damn, it's just me, as my hair frizzed up a lot since I turned on the camera. It seemed a lot flatter. I'm not going to show you the entire twisting process because that's just like redundant, because it's literally going to take 6 hours and my camera only goes for 30 minutes. Show you the top section when I get there. As for the size, I plan on doing them pretty small, so about that size, a little bit less than half the size of my finger. So little check-in. This is what the twists are looking like so far, and this is how much I've done. I have half my head left, and it is currently 6:48. It has been 2 hours, so I would say give myself another 3 hours and then I'll be done, to be honest. It is currently 8:32. 8:32. My head hurts My stomach hurts from that stupid hot chocolate. My fingers hurt. And my scalp hurts. I'd give it another hour and a half max. Just to clarify, most of the front of my hair is very strategically parted. So I can flip it different ways without it, like, you know, being too jacked up. I am putting edge control here and up for each of the twists just to keep it looking a little bit more neat. We're finally at the end of this. I'm kind of tired. This is the technique that I do now that I can show you the front. For the back, I did not use the edge control. I just used the cream. For the front, I like doing tinier sections because I do like the look of tiny twists. You can typically feel how much is enough, and I'll take some gel or some edge control between my fingers, rub it together, and go all around the box and just smooth that up a little bit, not smoothing it all throughout the hair. Honestly, if you don't want to use the cream, you can just use the edge control if you still want the flat look without your hair being curled up too much from the cream product thing that you use. So I put some cream on top of the edge control. For the cream for the rest of my hair, I don't put it all the way at my root. I put it really close to my root, but I don't touch my scalp with the product, or at least I try not to. So I try to get an even amount of hair in each one, and I just twist. So pull apart, switch the hair from side to side. Try to stay as close to where you're working at. Don't go down here and do this because then the twist can end up really loose. But if you want to do it that way, you can. But if you want to do it the way that I do it, that's how I do it. And it also helps keep the flyaways more down because you're snatching all of them up, or at least most of them. Once I get to the end, especially for the skinnier twists, I don't like to twist all the way to the bottom. So I'll just take my finger and curl it on the end so that I can have a little curl like that. Okay. Hopefully it's not there. I don't know if it is or not. I may have naturally just done the middle part, but this is what the back looks like. And my hair reaches. Seems like my hair reaches lower now that I put it into this, but that's probably just the moisture. Yeah, one more look. I am gonna go to bed. Okay, so this is what the twists are looking like, and then the back. So the most important part to this, I would say, is the moisturizers that you're using. I'm gonna be mixing the Mielle leave-in conditioner, the pomegranate and honey one, with water in the morning and spraying it on my ends. Taking the OGX Nourishing Coconut Oil Weightless Spray and spraying that on my ends afterwards. I'll be doing this minimum 4 times a week to every day. I'll probably be just using the weightless oil spray at least twice a week. Unless you're using distilled water for the bottle plus the leave-in conditioner, you don't want to store this for too long. I'd say store it for maybe like 3 days before you switch it out and pour in some more. So now that we have that pre-mix, we're just gonna set that to the side and we're gonna oil our scalp first. This is my oil mixture that I showed in my YouTube video. You guys can check out that video if you want to know all the oils I use in my hair growth mixture. I don't like applying these oils and whatnot at night. You obviously can do that, but I don't like it because it gets on my pillow and whatnot. Now I feel like my scalp has been treated pretty well. Now I'm gonna take the leave-in conditioner mixture and spray that on my ends. You're gonna wanna take your spray oil Just to be extra, I'm going to take my blow dryer on low to medium heat and blow dry the section straight, but leaving a little moisture on the end so I can curl it with the perm rods. I'm gonna roll it around the perm rod curl, wrap it up, and then I'm just gonna go up like that much. This is the tricky part. So where you see how my hair is like extended from here to here, I'm gonna take the perm rod curl and put it where the extension is. And I'm just gonna repeat that for all the sections. Okay, so my hair is in the perm rods now, and I'm going to head under my dryer for probably about an hour, hour and a half. Okay, so I was under the dryer for about an hour 15. I'm gonna take this off and we'll see. If it looks bad, I'm just gonna blow dry it straight. But if it looks good, I'm leaving it and just gonna adjust it a little bit. For the top of my, or for the front of my hair, I did curl it a little bit shorter so that it would curl up more and be more like this little bang thing that I have. Here is one of my go-to styles with a curled mini twist. I feel like it looks way better with my face just having a little bit of a curl to it. I probably will be doing, I think maybe tomorrow or something, I'll film a mini twist hairstyle video with like 20-25 different hairstyles you can do with mini twists. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I am straightening my hair at 1 million subscribers on YouTube. But yeah, that's it.